Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Joy James Costa and I am a current student of Technical University of Munich, and my subject is Masters of Science in Biomedical Engineering and Medical Physics, and my faculty is Physics. So today is my last video for this series, that is named actually Application Procedure in Germany. So I have uploaded almost 11 videos in this series, and all videos were uh, I actually tried my best. So I don't know if they were really nice or not. Hopefully, they were nice. So what is today's topic? That would be the whole summarized thing, that what I have actually given towards you, and from the up to bottom. So what I have given to you, and what would be the steps, the step-by-step process. So yes. So hopefully you can see this. All right. So this is a chart. So I have actually written all the blocks name, and I will try to actually have a slight glimpse of that, and try to say something about what I have actually described it. Okay, so in my first block, it's 3.1, block 3.1, where I have actually described why you will choose Germany. So if you do not if you didn't actually watch this, you can have a glimpse of it. I have actually um, I will actually add the link in the description box. Okay, so after having a glimpse why you will choose Germany, now you are able to choose yourself, that you are uh, now will try to have your higher education in Germany. Okay, so after that you have to collect 12 documents, right? So what are the 12 documents? If you want to have that glimpse, or if you want to have want to know that what are the 12 documents, you can actually go to the block 3.2. There you will find the whole list of 12 documents, so you can check this block 3.2. Okay, so after gathering this 12 documents, you will search your desired subject, right? So you will go block 3.3. So inside block 3.3, I have actually described the whole bunch of ways, so how you will actually choose your university. Moreover, you can choose your course by selecting the filtering process of that course filtering website. So if you do not know, or if you didn't watch this, you can go there. So that would be your third number step. Then in this third number step, you will find two kinds of university, right? That would be for science background students, basically for all kinds of students. That is one is technical universities or pure universities, and one is University of Applied Science. So these two universities are pretty much kind of complex structure. So what are the basic differences, and what would be my suggestion for you of having admission inside Germany, which university I actually prefer? You can watch in the blog 3.5. Okay, so inside blog 3.5 you can actually find which university is better for you, what are the characteristics of technical universities or the pure universities or the University of Applied Sciences. So you can have a glimpse of it from there. Okay, now you have chosen your desired courses and universities. Now you have to apply for it, right? So then you will go to this block, applying procedure or applying ways in German university. All right, so that is basically block 3.6 in this series. So in block 3.6 you will find four kinds of four ways that will be very necessary, or that are very general in this with respect to German universities, and three ways are described there. If you are not if you are unknown of this ways, you can have a glimpse of it from block 3.6. So please have eye on these things. Okay, so in block 3.6 you will find a term called UniAssist and VPD. So this two term is very important when you are actually trying to study inside Germany. So what I have done, um, inside block 3.7 I actually described the whole UniAssist thing and the whole VPD thing, and I have actually I have shown my Technical University Munich's VPD as well as the general VPD that has been that has actually given from the UniAssist, and what is the UniAssist procedure, what is UniAssist, and what are the things needed for UniAssist, what are the things. So basic thing, mainly all the things, all the necessary stuffs are here inside 3.7 log. So after 3.7 you will actually have uploaded all the things. That means you are now able to apply. So you are applying, but two things are missing, right? So from 12 documents there is two um, best or two major or two vital things, vital documents that has to be prepared by yourself. So what are they? Number one is letter of motivation, right? So I have described my letter of motivation part, so how I did my letter of motivation, and what are the things that will be included inside the letter of motivation part. So letter of motivation part needs actually two things. Number one is literature review of your life, and second is that literature review of your life has to be converted inside your letter of motivation document. So these two things are described inside block 3.9 and block 3.10. all right. So another thing is curriculum vitae, that means the Europass curriculum vitae for German universities. So how you can actually make your curriculum vitae with the website of Europass. So I have actually described this in my CV, that means block 3.11. so that is the basic procedure, and that is the basic summary of your application procedure inside Germany. Now you have actually, if you do this following steps step by step, you are able to complete your application procedure in Germany. But getting chance fully depends on you. Getting chance fully depends on the Almighty, and getting chance might be your luck also. So all in all, I can actually describe it. First, convince yourself that you are actually trying to get inside Germany. Number two, gather all the documents, that means 12 documents. Number three, find your university course and find your find your desired courses with the university. Choose your university, that means do you want to go for technical universities, or do you want to go for University of Applied Science or pure universities? Which university actually really suits you? After that, go for your applying, right? So for applying you must need 4 ways. That is, number one is direct applying, number two is online, number three is through UniAssist, number 4 is through UniAssist, and through online. So what way is needed for you, that has to be actually captured by you, right? You have to find yourself from the university website or from the DAAD website, that what way is necessary for that desired university. So you have to find yourself from that side. All right, so where were we? Okay, you are now applying. So for applying you might need the VPD. So find your VPD. How will you find your VPD? I have actually described inside block 3.7. and when you are preparing your 12 documents, you must have to do your letter of motivation by yourself, and also the curriculum vitae of yourself. So these are the steps that are needed, basic steps for application procedure inside Germany. Hope I have I have actually made the good impact things that might increase your capability, or might find you easier when you will apply for your upcoming German university application procedure. So hope this thing was bright, and in front of you I am really lucky to describe my experiences towards you. So hopefully all who actually are subscriber or not subscriber, actually the viewers are really helpful for me. And if you do like this videos, please subscribe, please like, comment and share. And after ending this series, I will actually I am actually going to start another series that is called actually German Jabo. That is basically will be in the Bengali language. These things are pretty basic, like application procedure of Germany will be described in Bangla, and some typical things that are really needed for Bangladeshi people, that will be also included. And you are most welcome if you are not a Bangladeshi. If you are Kolkata Bengali people or others, please, you can subscribe and you can actually watch it. So yes, thank you so much, and keep supporting me, keep subscribing me, and do share, do like, and I'm actually here for you, and I'm really really lucky to be here for you. So yes, thank you so much, and hope you have enjoyed this video. And this is the ending of my series that is called Application Procedure of Germany in English. So yes, keep supporting me. And okay, so after the series of German Jabo that will be ended, that then there will be another series that will be focusing the Technical University of Munich, and there will be another actually say something about, so that is actually magic. So if you want to have a glimpse of that specific series that is not, that is hidden from my side, so keep subscribing, and please build the, sorry, not build the, actually click the bell button, bell icon for the updates. Thank you so much, and pray for me and pray for the world. Hope you like it, and till the next video, thank you so much, and bye bye and good night.